Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all the viewers of Kingdom of Learning. May Lord Ganesha remove all the obstacles from your life and provide you happiness and fulfillment. So with this note, I want to share a good news with all the students who had appeared in class 10th last year. So the good news is that now on appearing for Maths Compartment Exam 2020 will not be necessary for those students who wish to pursue Maths in class 11th. This has been clarified by the CBSE board. Now let me explain what does it mean. Actually, in the session 2019-20, CBSE had introduced two maths for class 10th. One was basic mathematics and other was standard mathematics. And then it was made clear that those who had opted for basic mathematics and if they wanted to pursue mathematics in class 11th, then they could sit in the compartment exam of standard mathematics and they were eligible to pursue maths in class 11th. But now the good news is that keeping in mind the pandemic situation, the board has declared that for this session it will not be mandatory. It means that if you have appeared for basic mathematics in class 10th and you have cleared it, and if you want to take maths in class 11th, you can easily take it without clearing any other examination. So this is a big breather for all the students who were worried that they want to take maths in class 11th but still they were not able to do so. So now they can easily do that. But here I want to make one thing clear, that this facility has been provided only for this year. Means it is not for all the years. From next year onward, the same pattern will be followed, that if you want to pursue maths in class 11th, you will have to clear standard compartment exam. So this year you can take mathematics in class 11th even though you have only appeared in basic mathematics. So thank you all of you, and share this news with others also, because many students must be waiting for it. And subscribe to the channel if you want to get latest educational updates and if you want to improve your English. Thank you.